Do you know what are the toughest subject for engineers to study? So I am going to list out 10 such subjects that engineers find it difficult to learn. The number one is quantum mechanics. Quantum mechanics is part of physics and it deals with how matter and energy behaves in tiny levels like atomic levels or subatomic levels, in smaller particle levels, how it behaves. So the engineers find these subjects little difficult to learn. And the second subject is thermodynamics. Thermodynamics deals with heat, energy and work, how it is transferred and transformed. It's all about understanding the physical principle and how it's used in engineering problem, how it's applied in engineering. So what is the third one? Third one is electromagnetism. So electromagnetism is a study of electrical charges and how it interact with magnetic field. It includes complex ideas on electricity and magnet. The fourth subject is fluid mechanics. Fluid mechanics focus on liquids and gases, how they move and behave. For this, we should understand the properties of fluid, how it interact with surfaces using complex equations. So fifth subject is control system. It's use advanced mathematics. In this subject, we learn how to ensure that everything is working properly through feedback and control technique. The sixth subject is solid mechanics. It's deal with how solid materials react under pressure and stress. We should know about the material's behavior and how to handle different forces while solving the problem. The seventh subject is heat transfer. Heat transfer deal with how the heat is transferred from one place to another through conduction, convection, and radiation. So it uses complex mathematics for describe how this process happening, to describe the process, to understand the process. So this subject also is considered one of the toughest subject for the engineers. The eighth topic is signals and system. This field of study is about analyzing and working with signals like sound signals, electric signals, and understanding how the system process signals through advanced complex mathematics. Ninth subject is advanced mathematics itself. Engineers have higher level of mathematics. They have to learn algebra, calculus, differential equations to solve engineering problems. The 10th subject is computer programming. This itself is not a core engineering topic, even though all engineers use computer programming in computer coding in some or other ways to enhance the productivity of their subject. So they have to code, they have to do the coding using different computer language. So these are the 10 engineering subjects. One is quantum mechanics, second is thermodynamics, third one is electromagnetism, fourth one is fluid mechanics, fifth one is control system, sixth one is solid mechanics, seventh one is heat transfer, eighth one is signals and systems, ninth one is advanced mathematics, and 10th is computer program. Hi, my name is Pradeep Kumar KP. I am the engineer's growth coach. I help engineers to achieve high income growth and happy living with a purpose in their life. I conduct different types of programs, even for the engineering students in offline mode in the colleges. And for engineers who are working professionals and self-employed, I conduct online program to enhance their career 3x. If you want to know more about this program, and to get a glimpse about the activities, what I do and help engineers to achieve their goal, you may please link in the description for a free webinar. Thank you.